Hello class 5. Today we are going to start a new lesson, and that lesson comes under matter and material, and the name of the lesson is simple machines. Now machines make our work faster and easier. For example, scissors make it easier to cut things. A scissor helps to join or hold wood blocks together, and so on. Machine usually involves movement. All the machines we use in our daily life are the combination of simple machine. Means simple machine is anything which help us to and make our work easier. That comes under simple machine. The example of simple machine is scissor. Like if we want to cut something, it is very easy for us to cut with a scissor. And what does a screw do? Screw holds the two wood blocks together tightly. So simple machine are the machines which make our work help us to do our work faster and easier. Now simple machines are tools that make our work easier by applying force. How do we use a machine? By applying force. This force is applied at a particular point, and this force is applied at a particular point. A knife is an example of the simplest machine used by us. Have you seen a knife? Everyone is having a knife in the kitchen. So this is the example of simplest machine. Your mother cut vegetables and fruits with the knife. So it is making her work easier. The main simple machine which are the basis of all other machines are lever, inclined planes, which wheel and axle, pulley and screw. These are the different types of simple machines. The first we will know about the first machine, that is the lever. A lever is a simple machine which can be used to lift object. What is the use of a lever? It is used to lift an object. The lever is the bar that is free to move about a fixed point called fulcrum. Now, the lever moves with the help of, it has a fixed bar, a fixed point that is known as the fulcrum. It can be used to increase the force applied by us. It can increase the force which is applied by us. For example, a long bar used to move a particular boulder. Means when we want to, like, can you see here? A long log is taking using an inclined plane. So they can move the log very easily. Sometimes it is used to decrease the force to perform delicate jobs. For example, a tweezer used by the surgeon while performing an operation decrease the force, and sometimes these machines are used to decrease the force also, and the example is tweezer. Now all the levers have three parts. Levers have three parts, that is the load, the fulcrum and the effort. The weight on which the force is applied. Wherever the force is applied, that portion is known as the load. Fulcrum is the point where the lever turns or is supported. Where the two joints meet, that is the fulcrum. And effort is the push or a pull that moves the lever or the force applied. Now for example, when you see the seesaw, so load is where the children is sitting. He's sitting here. He's applying load. And this middle point where it is attached to the ground, that is known as the fulcrum. And effort, the girl is pushing it down, so she is applying effort on it, and this is the effort. The lever is classified on the basis of position of the load, the fulcrum and the effort. Different types of lever are classified on this basis only. Now the first type of lever is first class lever. The first class lever, in this first class lever, when the fulcrum is between the load and the effort, when the fulcrum is between the load and the effort, means this is the example. Here is the load, here is that, and the fulcrum is in between. This come under the first class lever. Example are seesaw, plier, broom, scissors, nail cutter, etc. are all first class lever. Now rest we will know in the second part.